Yeah, so today we're at Fouts Motorsports in Mesa, Arizona. We have one of our Tomar demo Raptors here. It's a Gen 2. So today we're upfitting the whole underside of the truck with what we call as off-road armor, installed here by Fouts. So currently we're getting the shock guard in place, metal housing that covers that plastic housing. When we're doing 1,000 miles off-road, it's pretty imperative that you have some type of protection to prevent failure from the shocks. Yeah, so currently underneath the front end of this truck, it's all stock. As you'll see, this is going to be replaced right here. You got a little bit of thin metal, and then your main skid plate right here, and then your front skid plate here. So with the upgraded skids from Fouts Motorsports, you have a little bit thicker steel all under the bottom of this truck, and it sits a little bit lower to prevent more debris from coming up and getting the major components wrapped up in here.